Did you know that a common household ingredient can be used in skincare?
We're talking about spicy skin. Not. This spice will make your skin look bright and radiant and like you are glowing.
Plus, it has tons of other uses as well.
For this video, we are making a turmeric infusion. So turmeric will stain your skin, will make it turn a bright yellow color, but when we use it in an infusion, that is much less likely to happen. And you can get all its beautiful brightening effects without staining your skin. When you make an infusion, you're going to use a spice or other ingredient and make it infused into an oil. And this oil can be used in all kinds of ways.
Some ways you can use this is a carrier oil in a recipe, or you could use it all by itself.
So you can replace a carrier oil that's in a recipe with this infusion. You can use it by itself as a face mask or as a carrier oil to dilute essential oils. So many ways to use this infusion.
Let's get started.
So this recipe uses turmeric spice and ingredients from our essential oil recipe box. And we're gonna pull out our recipe card and labels.
And from our big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab the almond oil. From your kitchen, the turmeric.
You'll also want a 1 ounce-ish sized container to hold this. If you have gotten this once box, after you use the aloe vera and the 2 recipes that it's in, you can reuse this container. So let's get making. This recipe only needs 2 ingredients. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon of turmeric spice, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, and this is going to be our base for our infusion. And there's 2 ways you can make this infusion. One way is to put it in a double boiler or in a small saucepan and let it simmer on a low heat for 30 minutes. Or you can put this oil with the spice in a clear glass jar, place it in a windowsill and keep it there for 6 weeks, turning it over every once in a while. So we'll go put this on the heat and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's finished.
When the recipe is finished, the oil that's sitting at the top is going to be kind of golden in color, and the turmeric will be at the bottom of the recipe.
And what we're gonna do now is use a fine mesh sieve, and we've actually found that using a coffee filter as well is super helpful to get the actual spice out of this infusion. When it's finished, it's going to look like this. It's this beautiful golden color, and it's going to be brilliant for making your skin look brilliant. To get what you need to make this recipe along with other recipes, subscribe to our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box.
We can't wait to see you there, and we'll see you later.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.